European Commission President Jose Manuel Barroso and European Union Council President Herman Van Rompuy said on Wednesday that there would be no renegotiation of Europe's fiscal compact. He also made clear that Greece must respect its agreements with the European Union.
There is an agreement between Greece and the euro area, all the euro area member states and European institutions. Greece has to respect its agreement, as the other countries have to respect its agreement. It's a question of credibility not only for Greece, but for the euro area as a whole. And this is very important to understand, that if this agreement is not respected, it will be very negative for Greece.
Van Rompuy said that while recovering from the crisis would be difficult, all countries would have to respect their budgetary commitments.
We have to make it clear to everybody that we will not go back on the euro. It will take time to overcome this crisis. It will take time to regain confidence after such shocks like the banking crisis and the sovereign debt crisis. It will be a difficult task. We have to stick to our commitments of reducing our debt and budget deficit, and we will manage to do so.
He was due to meet France's newly elected President François Hollande later on Wednesday before Hollande heads to Berlin to discuss growth elements for the fiscal compact. Hollande wants to launch an immediate challenge to German-imposed austerity policies in Europe after he is sworn in on May 15th. He is calling for negotiations to add pro-growth elements such as project bonds to the Budget Responsibility Treaty agreed by the European Union leaders in February. Head of the Eurogroup of the Eurozone, Finance Ministers Juncker and also Prime Minister of Luxembourg said on Monday that he made it clear to Hollande in a telephone call that he could not negotiate the fiscal pact. Greece moved closer to a second snap election on Wednesday when the head of the biggest party launched a new attack on radical leftist Alexis Tsipras. They said that his plans for a new government would push the country out of the Eurozone.